Hey guys, this is Ralph from Flexfilm, and I'm real excited to make this video. It's going to be a quick one, but I just got a brand new rolling GX 400 plotter. I've got a new laptop, I've got new software. Software is from Film and Vinyl Designs. That means I can cut any window film pattern I want, paint protection patterns, and more, okay? Why am I making this video? Because I want to know from you guys if you're interested in plotters. Do you want to know more about them? Do you want to know how they can help you in your business? Do you want to know how many patterns you can get on a roll of film? Or is it better to use a plotter than hand cut? Or just how to use this plotter behind me and how it can help you in your business. If you want to know stuff like that, I need you to let me know. Maybe not only you can let me know if you're interested, what do you want to know about them? Let me know in the comments below. I'm here to help you. I have the technology. I can show you how to use it. If you're interested, let me know. We're going to start making some videos.